Hi guys, my name is Iniya.
And my name is Thuya.
Today we are making Nerds Roll.
We'll be needing gummy bears and nerds.
And we're going to be needing a pan, a glass, and a pan.
And we need to use the gummy bears and we have to put it in here, then heat it up.
And it isn't, we're doing these gummy bears, there's different gummy bears, but we're just going to pour it in. And also wash your hands. Okay guys, so we just got everything ready. Now we're going to be heating it in the microwave. So we're going to heat it up for 30 seconds and hopefully it's properly heated. So we're going to start it for 30 seconds and now we're going to wait. Okay guys, sadly the 30 seconds did not help. It did a little bit, but not really. We're going to put another 30 seconds and if it doesn't work, we're going to add another 30 seconds. Okay guys, so I
Let it dry.
Yeah, it's really hot, so don't take this out yet. But I'm gonna be taking two paper towels and I'm gonna be putting it there. And don't do this without supervision because it's very hot. Okay, now we'll be pouring the nerds. Is that enough? Yeah. Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so guys, we're gonna get a spoon and scoop, Okay, so the pan hasn't cooled up yet, but it's kind of cool. We're gonna get some spoon and we're gonna put it like this. Okay guys, so it went a bit bigger, but I feel like this is better than the last one.
And we're putting a lot of nerds.
Yeah, it's sticking to my hands and
you have to let it cool down after you put the nerds.
yeah. Alright guys, we actually did it! Look at it! Ooh, we're gonna let it cool down because it's very sticky right now. But this is really good. So I do recommend it. It tastes very sour and it's really, really good. Didi, what do you think about it?
I think it's good and I like the chewiness.
Yeah, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below.
Bye!